Hello everyone, so let's talk about this new cool feature in Snapchat which is called shortcuts. So yeah, you can send your snaps to different groups of people easily. So let's just record a sample story. And then when you select send to, here you go to this screen and then just tap in send to in top part. And then here you have in the bottom, you see create shortcut. So each shortcut can be associated with specific emojis. So you just create shortcut, and the shortcut is basically a group of your friends. So you can just select even one friend and then choose emoji. Okay, create shortcut. You need to choose like a emoji and then creating shortcut. And there you have it. And then you will have these shortcuts. If you just tap on this emoji, it will select specific group of people, a group of your friends. So that's a super quick way to send your story to specific shortcut. You don't need to again to select the same groups of people every time. Hope that was helpful.